Hey guys, it's Larry, and today I am going to be doing a plan with me video, and this is the sticker artwork I will be using, and this is just darling. It is by Wendy T of the Facebook group The Darling Happy Planners, and it's called Wendy's Favorite Places, and it's just so cute. I wasn't ready to do Halloween yet. We've still got several, 4 weeks before that. So I wanted to do something just really fun and playful, and I thought these were adorable. So this is what I'm going to use today. We are going to do a plan with me layout. I'm doing the week of October 8th through the 14th. You can obviously work on any week you'd like. But if you want to see how this turns out, and this is what my stickers look like, I just printed them on one full sheet. If you'd like to see how this turns out and plan along with me, then please stay tuned. Let's have some fun. Okay guys, so this is, like I said, another plan with me. We are going to lay out this week with these beautiful planner stickers that I made on my Cricut using Wendy T's artwork. And here they all are. I'm not sure if I'm going to use any washi yet. You know, that's always kind of a toss-up. We'll see what happens as I kind of get a little bit creative. But if you'd like to plan along with me, I would love for you to join me, watch this layout come together. Leave some comments below if you have recommendations, or if you like something that I did, or a little, I don't know, if you have some tips, tricks, hints, anything like that. But let's get started. So pull up your planner, get out your stickers, grab a cocktail, and let's play some music and have some fun. If you are a subscriber, you know how this goes. Thank you so much for being here with me. If you're not yet a subscriber, hit that little button over there. Ring the bell for notifications, and we do plan with me's every week. And let's get started. Let's have some fun, guys. this is it. This is my final layout. It's super colorful. It's very inspiring. I think it's beautiful. And it's very, very simple. Did I already say simple? It's simple. So I hope you like it. I think it turned out really cool. So I've got plenty of white space to add in my appointments and things coming up for the week. I do have this many stickers left over, so I've got one of each color and 3 different types of quarter boxes to fill in for appointments and whatnot, so there's plenty of space for that. I've also got a running weekly to-do list. I usually do a weekend sticker here. Since I didn't have one, I put in this Think Happy Thoughts. I thought it would really well with all this, and I think it was really, really cool and really fun. I've used this a couple of times in my videos, so if you don't have one of these or if you're not familiar with it, this is from the Happy Planners. This is classic size box, and I cut plain sticker paper, which, you know, usually is scraps. Like this is a scrap from some stickers I did last week, and I just cut a piece of sticker paper the exact size to cover up things that I know might show through if I've got some light colored images. So I just wanted to point that out. That's kind of a tip that I use for covering things up. I also sometimes use the little whiteout tape if that's convenient, and then sometimes you've seen me cut strips of sticker paper to cover things up. So I just want to mention that too. But I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up, comment, you know, let me know your thoughts, share the video, and subscribe if you're not yet a subscriber. And thank you so much for being here with me today. I will see you soon, and join us for the next video. So ring that notification bell so you will be notified when the next one comes up. In the meantime, be thankful, be kind, and keep living light. See you guys.